In this detailed tutorial, we're going to thoroughly discuss the free WhatsApp Order WordPress plugin, and we will carefully examine what valuable features this plugin generously offers for our website. Look, this incredibly useful plugin basically handles those specific situations where you genuinely don't have an active payment gateway configured, and you truly want to place your order directly and seamlessly on your dedicated product page. This allows for a much smoother and more integrated customer experience. Take a look down here at this section. When I hover over this button, you can see some details down below, like which phone number the message will be sent to, what the message says, and what details are included in that message. These crucial details include the specific product name, the current price, and the direct product link. You can clearly see all these important details in this convenient hover display. And these are precisely the essential items that get automatically sent to the site manager's WhatsApp account. Now, the settings for this plugin are very simple. You can have this button plugin in any section you want, in different parts of this section and in the description using a shortcode. So the settings for this plugin work like this. First, after installing the plugin, you go into WooCommerce Order WhatsApp, and from here you can enter the WhatsApp number of the site manager or whoever is responsible for support and sales. You can select an icon here for the plugin, and this icon will appear at the beginning of the button text. You can set a border radius for it, which determines the curvature of the corners. You can also set the position of this button, deciding where it should appear. Well, you can move the button to wherever you want, and if you're using a shortcode, you can click this button and, for example, place the shortcode in the description. Now, when I click this button and save, you'll see that the changes will remove it from here. But here, since it's a shortcode, it stays. See? Yeah, like this. Because we applied this using a shortcode. Well, this plugin has another section where you can specify categories. For example, you can set it for all categories or just a specific one. So if you set it for a specific category and, for example, you don't want your plugin to appear on this product, you can edit this plugin. You can edit this plugin for this product from this section. For example, I selected a category, but for this product from that category, I don't want the button to be shown. All right, let me save this. Now, if we refresh this, let me actually go ahead and set this particular category for this specific product as uncategorized, or perhaps more accurately categorized. Okay, that should work perfectly. Now if we refresh, it should be clearly displayed and visible. See, now it's being displayed here. So I can come here and use this meta box, click the hide button, and completely hide the button from this product. But in other cases and in other categories, it still exists. It's simply hidden away from this particular product, and if I were to carefully remove it once again, you will clearly see that it prominently shows up right here just as easily and without any complications. Now the thing is, you can also have this plugin in a bilingual setup. We've carefully configured this plugin, basing our approach on the robust Polylang plugin, and have utilized all of its comprehensive configurations to properly make the website fully multilingual. So what you need to do if you want to use this plugin in a multilingual way, that is, if you have a website that supports multiple languages, is to first install this plugin. Then, based on the different languages you've selected here, maybe for example, you've chosen 10 different languages for your website, you can proceed accordingly. Based on the languages you've selected, fields will be created for you so that you can enter different details for each language. The settings are very simple. This means that you can actually have different messages for each language here. You can change the product link. These are all the items that you can see here in this section at the bottom left of the page. you can dynamically change the text inside the message. You can write a separate text for each language as well as set the label on the button. You can easily change the label on the button. For example, WhatsApp 2. I'll set this one to 3 as well. So in Persian, it should show us this text. And in English, it should show us this text. Now, if I refresh the page, you'll see that in Persian, it's this. Sorry about that. In English, it's showing us WhatsApp 2, and in Persian, it's showing us WhatsApp 3. It's that easy to use the multilingual features of this add-on and this plugin. If you have any questions or comments, you can easily contact us and the dedicated plugin support team by submitting a detailed ticket through the helpful links we've provided for you below. Let me repeat, this plugin is completely free for you to use and you can easily take advantage of its amazing features. The demo link has also been provided for you here. Thank you.